Hey everyone, welcome back to Minute English with Ha, where you learn real English every day. Today is day 10 of our 30-day English challenge, and we're talking about travel and vacations. Let's go! Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not yet, but I'm planning a short trip next month.
Nice. Where are you going?
I'm thinking of Da Nang for the beaches and the food.
Great choice. How long will you stay?
Probably 4 days and 3 nights.
Are you flying or taking the train?
Flying. It's faster and not too expensive if you book early.
True. Do you usually travel on a budget?
Yes, I set a daily budget and try local food instead of fancy restaurants.
Good tip. Do you prefer hotels or homestays?
Homestays. They feel more personal, and you meet locals.
Same here. What's your must-pack item?
A power bank and a light jacket. Weather can change quickly.
Agreed. Do you plan your schedule or go with the flow?
A mix. I make a simple itinerary but leave room for surprises.
Perfect balance. What activities do you enjoy?
Walking tours, night markets, and sunrise at the beach.
Sounds amazing. Any travel mistakes you've learned from?
Overpacking. Now I bring only what I really use.
Smart. And I always check baggage rules to avoid extra fees.
Yes, also, I download offline maps just in case.
Same. And I save hotel and flight details to my phone.
So, what's your dream destination?
Japan during cherry blossom season.
Beautiful. I hope you get there soon.
Thanks. What about you?
Italy, for the history, art, and pasta.
Delicious plan. Now it's your turn to practice. Shadow with me. I'm planning a short trip next month. I'm planning a short trip next month. I booked my flight early to save money. I booked my flight early to save money. I made a simple itinerary with free time. I made a simple itinerary with free time. I always pack a power bank and a light jacket. I always pack a power bank and a light jacket. I prefer homestays to meet locals. I prefer homestays to meet locals. Let's learn useful travel vocabulary. Itinerary, your travel plan, schedule. Layover, waiting time between connecting flights. Check-in, check-out, arrive, leave at a hotel. Boarding pass, the ticket you show at the gate. Carry-on, small bag you take on the plane. Baggage allowance, how much you can bring. Hostel, homestay, budget stay, local homestay. Landmark, a famous place or building. Souvenir, something you buy to remember a trip. Travel insurance, protection for trips. Quick quiz, say the best phrase. You want a room with a window view. Do you have any rooms with a view? Your flight changed. My flight was rescheduled. What are my options? You're lost. Could you point me in the right direction? Thanks for watching Minute English with Ha. Comment your dream destination below. I'll reply to some. See you in day 11 for food and restaurants. Hand waving.